Hello, and welcome to Flamingo Force, where our primary focus is on Salesforce and our secondary focus is on flamingos. On this page, you will see that we have several fields. Do you want to see a flamingo, a blank space, and a flamingo field? Right now we have no, I would like to see a cat instead, so let's go ahead and update that to see our flamingo. We will hit save and you will see on the record page that we have a dancing flamingo. But that field label is really unnecessary. I want to get rid of it. Let's do that now. We're going to go to the setup menu for our account object. And fields and relationships, and we will go find our flamingo field. I'm going to edit this field. And you know what we can't do? We cannot just delete that. That is a required field. What happens if we put space? That doesn't seem to work either. In the old days, you might be able to do something like NBSP and it would be picked up by HTML, but that doesn't work anymore either. So what do we do now? Well, here's a trick that you can follow. You can go to the character map on Windows or otherwise. If you scroll about 60% down, you'll find a row of what appear to be blank characters. They look blank, but they're not blank. They are actually characters. I typically go with something like 0 with space. I select that and I copy it. I'm going to paste that into the field label and save. Look at that. Now we will navigate back to our account record. And you will notice that we now have a dancing flamingo without a field label. We can take a look at it, that edit page here, and you see that it's disappeared from there as well. Now let's do the same for that blank space. I'm going to return to the setup menu, account object, fields and relationships, and let's go blank space here. We're going to edit that as well and add in our 0 width space from the character map. You'll see this is just a formula that has no text plus a line break, and then no text plus a line break, no text. So that allows us to have to display multiple lines in this formula output, or in our default value. I'm going to save that one as well. And return to our account record. So since I am logged in as an admin, I do have the ability to edit those. Let's go ahead and return and log in as one of our trusty sales users. And you see that we have selected, yes, I want to see a flamingo, or I would like to see a cat instead. We have our clever blank space right under that, which is not editable, and we have our running kitten below that, also without a field label.